Hello everyone, this is Dr. Tony, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to virtually plan implant case, starting from importing DICOM files to designing the surgical guide using Atomica Guided Surgery Suite. Starting with the Planner app, upload the DICOM files from where you saved it. The planner supports both multi and single file formats. Selecting one DCM file will upload the whole DICOM. Then choose the location where you want to save the file, and this will lead you to where you can adjust cuts orientation. As you can see here, we have a missing lower right 6, so I'll mark it here on the teeth chart, and this will activate the mandibular panoramic curve, which will be automatically generated. Then I'll import the model. This will open a preview window where you can check the model and mark how it should be loaded. Then the model will be automatically matched to the CT. Check the matching on different cuts. In this case, I have a bite scan, so I'll also import it. OK again, perfect matching. Heading to the planning page, we'll start by placing a virtual crown. You can also check its position on the 2D cuts. Then placing the implant. I'll try 4 by 10.5. Check all around the implant through centric and tangential positions. You can also have a look on the 3D view. I'll also add a virtual abutment to try its suitable dimensions. I'd like to increase the extension height here. OK, excellent. Let's head to adding sleeves. I'll use 360 standard sleeve. You can hide the models and the virtual crown to visualize the sleeve position. The offset is adjustable as you see here. You can now generate a report containing all the plan details, the plan products, positions, and a detailed drilling protocol. Now let's save the plan and head to Atomica Design. Import the plan and select the model. By selecting Generate Guide, the brush will be automatically activated. You can easily change its size using the mouse scroll. Make sure that the automatic undercut detection is activated, and here we go. I'd like to crop the guide margins. Finally label the guide, and now it's ready for printing. Thank you for watching.